Grade 10 Geography in a nutshell. Geography, the study of places and the relationships between people and their environments. Of course, who needs geography? People. People need geography. Why is that? Because geography studies resources, and resources are very important. Without resources, our world would be a barren wasteland. So let's talk about it. Natural resources is defined as materials or substances such as minerals, forests, water, and fertile land that occur in nature and can be used for economic gain. Resources fall into two categories, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources in the name can be replenished. Non-renewable resources cannot. Natural resources are used to make food, produce other goods, and make the world a better place. Because non-renewable resources cannot be replenished, scientists are finding new awesome ways to find better resources that can be replenished, like hydroelectric power and energy to fuel our facilities. Food is another natural resource, possibly our most important. Without food, humans will die. Food can be gained in many ways, through farming, breeding, growing. This is all in the agricultural field. It is important to get food in ways that do not harm the environment, which is why there are so many laws to stop people from exploiting the areas. The process to get food straight from the source is extremely tedious. Let's use beef as an example. After killing a cow, you have to go through several processes to skin it, cut it, and make sure it is ready for selling. After the farmers do so, it is shipped out in bulk to markets, who sell to consumers. Then and only then can we cook beef and eat it. GMOs, genetically modified organisms that are in our foods. They're artificially made to make better food, better ingredients to replace unhealthy ones, more convenient materials, better taste, etc. GMOs may also have some common toxic effects such as pancreatic and reproductive effects, as well as having allergic and antibiotic reactions. So it is important to check your beans if it has artificial ingredients. After all, natural is best. This country has cool resources. This country does not have this resource, but it has a lot of money. Country A and B decide to exchange goods for money. One country gets super rich, and the other gets super happy because they have that resource. You just witnessed international trade. In order for the economy to grow, countries need to expand their industries and trade, either domestically or internationally, to get everything they need to develop their economies. Trade creates better jobs, reduces poverty, and increases economic growth and opportunity. However, there are things called tariffs, in other words, international taxes. A tariff is a tax on imports or exports of goods between. Tariffs are a form of regulation of foreign trade and a policy that taxes foreign products to encourage or safeguard domestic industry. Other countries do deals that negate this, such as NAFTA, so that they can trade happily without big deficit in taxes. With the development of everything, resources being turned to renewable, food from the land being used to maximize profits and developments, and industries growing to global environments, many countries and places have been urbanized and globalized. They have reached international scales to keep growing and connecting to new people worldwide. And that, frankly, isn't a bad thing. The world has never been more connected, and a step towards a more friendly, advanced, and fair Earth has never felt more possible. That's, of course, with the help of geography.